Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and past couple of days like I have missed uploading videos on the YouTube platform because I'm having some sort of cold, and because of that my voice is not too well. You can basically understand by listening my voice as well. So today video it is about basically a thing which is I found out very interesting because I was basically using cue card to speaking on this particular channel, and I have uploaded multiple English practice videos on speaking on the cue card. But the one thing which is I also do in my free time, which is just seeing the image, and just there is some sort of image I found out from browser, and just trying to elaborate this picture as much as I can, because that is how we can our brain works. And I just want to try to basically build a story by watching a picture, and this is a very interesting and very uh, curious things to do basically, because that is how our mind works basically. Because if we are searching for some sort of things which is actually building a story, so at the end the result is always awesome. So yeah, this is how basically I am practicing nowadays, and just trying to basically give as much as time to basically English language, because in upcoming days that is become a very powerful tool. If you have, you can basically communicate to everyone, and if you don't know basically don't know about how to speak, how to communicate to others, so you cannot elaborate it what you have. Basically you cannot able to elaborate your expertise to others, and if you are hesitating while expressing yourself, so it is challenging for us, because we are not worth whatever we are capable of. People try to think that way basically. If you are speaking fluently, they will tell, they will like judge you by speaking only. There is nothing like that. Your curriculum, your grades, that doesn't matter, I think, as far as I know about industries. So yeah, I basically try to speak on on the major issues which is like happening in today's environment, because I always don't want to basically express myself where I found out that I'm not able to basically give value to others, and some sort of things which is lots of people are using, such as there's multiple things, so people's speaking and working on that. So I kind of introvert person, and on the YouTube basically I'm trying to extrovert, and I try to myself I can reach out a lot of people who are like introvert, and they don't want to basically grow themselves, because that is the one thing which is letting them down. So yeah, today's video that is about practice. Just I want to basically start recording and just want to express myself whatever I can express. I think there is some sort of thing which is you cannot understand, because sometimes I feel like whatever I'm speaking I am not able to gather things which is logical, yeah, and reasonable. So yeah, there is a lot of things which is kind of that, but I speak basically because you need to basically have a confident person while speaking. So that is what most important, apart from writing and listening, because if you can speak you can understand as well. So on this note, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and you can watch my previous videos as well. Bye bye, have a good day.